Hey Chompers, welcome back to another video. It's me, the Chomp Queen, and welcome to Chomp Town, home of the Chomp Queen. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you are notified every time I upload a brand new video, and ring the bell so that you get a notification that I uploaded a brand new video. So today I am here with not a seafood boil, but y'all, I saw a commercial on YouTube actually for the Philly cheesesteak Burger King sandwich, and oh my gosh, it looks so good, so I just had to get it. They also had some new chicken tenders, so I'm going to show you what this looks like. I haven't even opened that sandwich yet, so I don't know what it looks like, but I am excited to try it. The commercial was so good. Let's see if we can get like a really good picture of what this sandwich looks like. So it's a double patty. It's a double patty, and woo, all right, let's see together. Ketchup, mustard, cheese. It has some fried onions. Ooh, it smells like a cheesesteak. Look at all that cheese. Oh my gosh. Ooh, you know, I wish I had lettuce and tomato. Oh my gosh, I need to show y'all these onions. Caramelized onions. I hope you can see that. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I'm gonna put some ketchup on it. And I got the fries. Oh, and here are the tenders. They don't look as succulent as I would like, but here they are. They have a 2 count, a 3 count, and a 4 count, if I'm not mistaken. I got 3. So yeah, and then good old Burger King fries. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today is Monday, the beginning of a wonderful week. Oh, I should get some mayonnaise too. Thumbs up this video if you like mayonnaise. I know a lot of people don't, but I love it. I'm not gonna add it this time. But oh my gosh. I can't wait to eat. Oh, and then I got a, this is a medium meal, by the way. I got a sweet tea, because I'm not a soda drinker. Although I do have my cravings every once in a while. But anyway, let's just eat. Let's say some grace. Lord, I thank you for this food that you set before me. I thank you, blessed, let it be in the kingdom of our name, personally, and praying in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you, Lord. Got some sweet and sour sauce for these tenders. They look a little hard. I hope they not, because I'm really, these are new. The tenders are new and the sandwich is new. So hopefully these are good. They feel kind of soft, but they look dry and hard. So let's see. Could be better. They're tender though. They just taste a little overcooked. Oh man. They remind me of Wendys chicken tenders. Nothing special. Alright. Hands down, who has the best tenders? In my opinion, it's Popeyes. Popeye has the best, oh my gosh, biggest, juiciest, most tender tenders I've ever had. They're so expensive though. I think you get like 3 tenders, 4 tenders for like $8. But they are so good. All right, let's get some ketchup for these fries. Can't wait to eat this sandwich. I know it's gonna be good. Or at least I hope it's good. All right. Y'all remember getting cheesesteaks back in the day and it was so good? Like you had juice running down your arm. All the stuff would fall off. Here we go. Oh. Alright. Let's see if it tastes like a cheesesteak. Kind of just tastes like a Whopper. I don't know, I feel like it's missing something, man. Maybe I need to bite of the onions. It doesn't taste like a cheesesteak. It just tastes like a cheeseburger. Mm. Okay. It's the onions. The onions make it. The onions make it taste like they got some some special kind of sauce up here. They don't look like just regular ketchup and mustard. Mm. Mm. Ooh, that's good. I don't know what that is. Oh, we got some onions coming out of here. It's the onions that make it taste like cheesesteak. I gotta fill out my napkins again. So, how was you all's Halloween? I spent my Halloween with the kids and the babe. Oh, my mom and my sister came down, y'all. Hold on. First, somebody said that I chew too slow. Y'all want to see me chew slow and talk, or chew fast and choke? I gotta pick one or the other. I can't chew fast. Feels like I'm chewing fast, but apparently I'm not. But anyway, my mother and my sister came down. My sister came down mainly because she wanted to try some king crab. And she has a 1-year-old, so he came trick-or-treating with us, but she wanted to try the king crab. So we went to the king crab place, to the seafood market, and, you know, got the crab. They didn't even have the big ones, because he said the season for crabbing is almost over, so the pickings are getting slim. So anyway, they got these small king crabs. So she got that. And some snow crab. Yo, why she said she didn't like the king crab? I couldn't believe it. She said she didn't like it. So I got king crab in the refrigerator, a couple snow crab legs. So y'all got a seafood video coming up soon. I couldn't believe it. I wish I was here. I had to go to work last night, so I wasn't here to prepare for her. And I wanted to make her some beef sauce, but I just didn't have time. So they went back home now. My mother, she's allergic to seafood, so she wouldn't be able to eat with us. But this is good. The sandwich, I'm disappointed. Like, I wanted it to taste like a real cheesesteak. Like, they interviewed some people from Philly, and at first the people were in doubt, like, they don't taste like no, I mean, you can't get a cheeseburger to taste like a cheesesteak. So when they tasted it, it was like, oh my gosh, it's so good. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be this good. I didn't think it was gonna compare. And how good it was, and I'm getting it, and it's like, it's just like a cheesesteak, I mean, like a cheeseburger with some onions on it. I don't get it. Am I missing something? I hate when it's not what it said it is. This does not taste like a cheesesteak. The onions are good though. And here's the thing, I've been to Philly, and I had Philly cheesesteak. Although most of my cheesesteaks I ate in Maryland, Baltimore, but this don't taste like neither one. I'm disappointed, man. If you have already tried this, let me know what you think of it. These fries good though. Okay, in your opinion, who has the best fries? I'm gonna go with Chick-fil-A. I love Chick-fil-A fries. Those waffle fries are my favorite. Sometimes I go and just get the fries. It's so good. It used to be McDonald's. McDonald's used to have the best fries, but it seems like they changed up their recipe a little bit on the fries. They don't taste the same. These chickens not all that. This one I might have fallen on the floor. That. What else we did this weekend? Took the kids trick or treating. They had a bunch of like trunk or treat events. What else we did? Did a little bit of shopping. You know, you always gotta do shopping when your mother in town. What else? We went to get some Pizza Hut. That was good. Favorite pizza? Comment down below. Used to be Papa John's, but not anymore. I like Pizza Hut. You know what? Surprisingly, Little Caesars has some decent pizza. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad. It's not as bad as I was expecting. Like CC's pizza, I don't remember that being good at all. But Little Caesars got some decent pizza. Now they have the new thin crust. See, kind of tough. I get overcooked it. Yeah, I would pass on these. It's a nice size one, but it's just overcooked. Never go wrong with some Burger King fries though. You know, what's today? November the 2nd. So we're supposed to vote November 6th. Now I'm not really into, like, I'm not one for all the politics and all that stuff, but please go and vote, guys. Go vote. If you are able to vote, if you are able to get to a voting poll, please, a voting place, please go vote. Like, we need all the votes we can get. This challenge is so good. Doesn't taste like a cheesesteak, but it's still good. Sweet and sour. French fries is good. So I want to give a shout out to Tashell and 3, because when I was blogging, she was one of the she also vlogs. She has a blog channel. If you don't know her, go check her out. I will leave her link in the description box so you can check her out. Tell her that I sent you. But she has a really nice family. They do vlogs. And when I was vlogging, she would always support me. And I would support her. So, just wanted to continue to show support, because she's coming over to this channel and she comments on a lot of my videos and she watches them. And I really do appreciate it. And I just want to give back to those who've given to me. Like, she's awesome. And she works nights just like I do. So she knows the struggle of raising kids and working night shift. So go and check her out. I'll leave her link right down below so you guys can follow her. You don't have any excuses. I thought I was going to do that a couple videos ago and I just kept forgetting. Yeah. Please go check her channel out, y'all. Oh, I'm trying to chew fast, but it just ain't in me. Hey, you want ketchup? Yeah, it has been so much going on. I wish I could upload every single day, because I sure would. It's so easy. I mean, you gotta eat, right? So why not eat in front of the camera with your YouTube fam? During the day, my kids are here. I eat dinner with my family most of the time. But like lunch or breakfast, I can eat with y'all. It's just that my kids require so much time. Plus I'm homeschooling, so you know how that goes. Keep me busy. You know what I want to try? I saw this, it was a picture on Instagram. It was a picture of a sandwich, like a cheeseburger, but the top layer was pizza, like a pepperoni pizza. Then it had a burger, then it had fries, then it had something else. I can't remember, maybe like a chicken sandwich, I don't know. And then it was the bottom part of a sandwich. And yo, that sandwich looked so good. Maybe I'm gonna try to make that. That sandwich looked so good. Especially the cheese pizza on top, the pepperonis on it, oh my gosh. And then it had the cheeseburger, the french fries, All you need is like some what do you call it, boneless buffalo wings on that thing. That's a whole meal and some. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on these. I'm gonna need this overcooked. I feel like I could have just got like a double Whopper with no lettuce, tomatoes, and fried onions, and it would have been nice. Like I feel like that's what this is. Give me that. You know I like my onions. Alright, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments, let me know you were here. And share this video with everybody you know. Tell them to come over to Chomp Town. And let's eat. Alright, bye guys. Love you.